All right, welcome back everyone. We're starting at the visitor center from Catoctin State Mountain Park, or Mountain State Park. We're going on a 5-mile loop today. Got about 800 feet of elevation gain, and we're gonna see two of the area's most well-known geological features. So stay tuned for this beautiful forest hike and then the surprise of these features. All right, we're like 10 minutes in and it's been nothing but uphill, so I guess that 800 feet elevation gain is gonna be front loaded. Hit a big intersection here. I'd love to check out whatever Hog Rock is, but don't think I have enough time to add 3 extra miles on, so let's get up to our first vista. Looks like we made it to the Thurmont Vista. Pretty good view. A little setback, but it was nice to get to see the city down there. Came up on this little area with a bench and a box, and I thought it may be a campsite, but the mystery box says US Boundary NPS, and it does not say animal or bear box, so no clue what that is, but if anyone knows, let me know. Alright, we're to our first geological feature. This is Wolf Rock. It's fragmented, it's quartz, and it's just kind of sticking out of the mountain here. This is a surprise to me. Didn't expect a hole to crawl around in, but being who I am, I'm gonna go down there and check it out. So stay tuned and let's get down there. Okay, made it down. Just a bench and some trash. Cool little crevice though. I'm not sure, but that might be the wolf. Could be a wolf head. What do y'all think? Here's the geology that created it. Alright, down. Didn't realize it ran this long. I may have just stayed up on that ridge. So here we are, coming up on Chimney Rock. Guessing it's not going to look like a chimney from this side, but if we were down on the base of the floor, we would see a 800-foot cliff kind of rising out of the ground. That was a cool feature. I had a lot of fun climbing around it. If I had longer, I would have gone out kind of further on it, but as I do, kind of racing the sunset, so trying to get back to the car before it gets too dark, or maybe even locked in. As we head down, I think we're getting a glimpse of the chimney. Not all of it, but just the upper shelf. Didn't expect such a rocky path coming down. Gonna slow me down. Alright, just finished up. Looks like adding the Town Vista added about another mile and a half, so we got closer to 6.5, which put me out after dark, which you know happens to me frequently. The views were worth it, especially during golden hour. Beautiful hike. Kind of reminded me of some of the trips we went back to in Arkansas. You can check those out here. So great adventure. Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow along on my other Maryland trips. You can check out this playlist as well.